It is time. It's time for the Lightning Round. From Norman Sanders, so I said, by myself, the core stock, quite a time, my step first, where you play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski Daddy. Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Skip in California. Skip.
Jim.
Skip, what's shaking?
Oh, man. I've been waiting so much to ask you this question. First-time caller, long-time watcher, IBRX, Immunity Bio. I know everybody's talking about it.
Yes. Okay. Now see what happens. I think is you already had that. That moved gigantically. It's had a giant run off this FDA meeting, and I really think that you have to take profits in some of that, not all of it, but some of it, because it's up so big. Let's go to Ted in Arizona. Ted.
Hello, Jim. Ted from Glendale, Arizona.
How are you?
I'm great. First-time caller. I'm interested in starting a position in some kind of a silver stock, and I'd like your thoughts on Pan American Silver.
Well, you did hit the best. Pan American Silver is the best silver mine company. However, to start a position now after the stock is up so gigantically is worrisome. Let's at least wait for a day when it's not up 3 or 4, because I don't think you're getting a great price if you come in today on Pan American Silver, but you do have the best one. Let's go to Tony in California. Tony.
Yeah, Jim. Hey, this is Tony the Bread Man, Northern California.
All right, good to have you.
Big fan. I just want to get your opinion on KLA Corporation going forward.
Okay, KLA is an incredibly well-run company whose stock is up gigantically. They make the semiconductor capital equipment. You need to have memory. I think that if you wanted to start a position, get this. I am blessing this, okay? The stock was down huge today. I think if you wanted to buy 100 shares, you can buy 15 to 20 shares tomorrow. You normally would not say that, except for this one was down huge. You're not buying it at the top. That's what matters to me. Let's go to Victor in New Jersey. Victor.
Booyah, Jim. Happy New Year.
Right back at you, as long as we can still say that. It is the 20th. It's getting long in the tooth, but Happy New Year.
All right. I'm curious about a position of Firefly Aerospace.
Okay, space and defense continues to attract a lot of interest. I now am saying we've got to buy companies that that have some degree of earnings right now, because I don't want too speculative, and I think that one is a little too speculative for me. Let's go to Paul in California. Paul.
Booyah, Jimbo. Greeting from Van Richter Records in America's finest city. San Diego, home of the San Diego State University Aztecs and legends Marshall Faulk, Kawhi Leonard, and Tony Gwynn. How about paying us a visit as part of your next Back to School
tour? The greatest show on turf. I remember. Let's go to work. What do we got?
Okay, my stock you once said was a 80 to 120 mover, but it's been stuck in the mud for over a decade now at under 80. I'm talking about Shell. What is your opinion, Bob?
Shell is just an okay oil company and nothing more, and that's the problem. And I don't really care for the oils. At least they're not speculative. Let's go to Michael in Colorado. Michael.
Yeah, hi, Mr. Cramer. First of all, thank you so much for taking my call. I'm 29 years old, and I wanted to just thank you for the enduring impact you've had on my generation, which is millennials, and it's had immense significance. I'm a little nervous, okay? But so I was going to ask you about Allegiant PLC based out of Dublin, Ireland.
That's a good company. It's a electronic security company, and it's a good company. It's not that expensive. It's the kind of company that you can buy into weakness and not feel like you're going to get your head blown off, which is how I feel about a lot of these stocks that are up between 50 and 80% so far this year already. Let's go to Kishore in Florida. Kishore.
Hey, Jim. This is Kishore calling from Orlando, Florida.
Oh, I'm sorry that I mispronounced that. Thank you. What's up?
Enjoy your show every evening. My question is regarding this company that manufactures construction management AI-based software. I'd like your opinion on a long-term hold. The company is Procore Technologies, ticker PC.
All right. Now, this is an enterprise software company, and we are seeing tremendous pressure on these by people who think they can go into Claude, which is owned by Anthropic, and create the same software product that they might be paying a fortune for. I don't know if Procore can be easily, copied. Let's say copied. But I do know that that's the problem with these stocks, and they're not going to let up. You have to be careful, Procore. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, with new tariffs possibly on the horizon, Cramer's comparing the current U.S. approach to foreign policy with that of China to see how each is faring. Next.
Good evening, Mr. Cramer. Thank you. Thank you for everything you do.
You've been such a wonderful source of information with your teachings. I have to say thanks.
Thank you for all your advice and saving us from ourselves.
Your advice let me quit a job that I hated. I love you to death.
Thank you for everything you do. Thanks for making us money. And more importantly, thanks for keeping us from losing money.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.